welcome to Fabulous Chef. In today's video, let's see how to make a very delicious grilled butter garlic prawns. It's an absolutely delicious and mouth-watering recipe. So let's get started. Let's see the ingredients for this delicious recipe. Today I've taken 1 kg of jumbo prawns. We need about 10 garlic cloves which is finely chopped, 3 tablespoons of butter, some salt, about 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 lime. Now let's prepare the butter mixture. Take a bowl. Into the bowl let's add 3 tablespoons of butter and let's add the chopped garlic, about 10 numbers. Let's also add about 1 teaspoon of chili flakes. You can alter the chili flakes according to your taste. Now let's add sufficient salt and mix everything thoroughly. The butter has to be in room temperature. Now let's add about 2 teaspoons of finely chopped coriander leaves into the butter and mix everything thoroughly. And keep it aside. Now let's take the jumbo prawns. I've split opened the prawns and deveined it and cleaned it and washed it well. Now let's take the butter mixture and spread it all over the prawns on one side. This gives a nice juicy flavor to the prawns. So similarly repeat the same process with all the prawns. Now let's heat a pan. When the pan is nice and hot, let's place the butter side prawns on top of the pan. We can place about 3 slices of jumbo prawns at a time. So let it cook. Usually prawns cooks very fast. It would take about 3 minutes on one side. Now let's flip it over on the other side. Now let's drizzle some lime juice on top of the prawns. This gives a tangy flavor to the prawns. Now let's scrape the butter and garlic on the sides of the pan and place it on top of the prawns. So this enhances the flavor of the butter and garlic on the prawns. Jumbo prawns is the best for this dish. You can also use the tiger prawns. So that's it friends, our delicious grilled butter garlic prawns is absolutely ready. Hope you like this video. Do try this delicious recipe. Like, subscribe to my channel and leave your comments below.